2, 3. I got good sportsmanship throughout the game, all right? No bad words, make a good hit, get up and go back to your huddle. Y'all got it? All right. So this division team here, they're going to call the coin toss. That whistle blow, that means stop, everything stop too, right? And then after the play, make sure y'all bring the ball back to one of the officials. Y'all got it? All right, this whistle represents tails. The whistle is tails. He's going to call it, going to say it loud enough for you to hear it. You're going to tell me what he said. We ain't going to heads or tails. What do you say? Heads or call, flip the coin. It's what? Tails. It's tails. So they have one to toss. Got an option to receive the fins the first and second half. One the first and the second half.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to
on this side right here, top 25 minutes. On this side right here. The team here have one to toss. They make it to the first. Guys over here gonna be receiving the ball. Y'all be ready to check in one more time. Get all the coaching staff on the field. Coaches, all the coaches. Coaches!
Hey!
Commencing at the siren, any and all crimes, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes.
Check 1, 2, what is up? Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? When I bought the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was winning? Flexing on these, some like Papa on the finish. Double M, yeah, that's my team, Rose, this captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the top can of me, casting, grind like I'm broke. That limb up my new, still ride like my goat. I'm right around my city with my hands on road. Cause my mama needs this little money,
Looks like a quarterback keeper on the play. Handoff to number. Keller handoff up to the left side. Number 23.
There you go, Coach.
King Price to a signal call for the Great Wolves on the statue limit play.
Come on, Hubert.
Keller handoff to number 22. Rex to number 29.
Hey, Hubert, you in.
Touchdown. Number 25 for the Grey Wolves. That was number 25 again. King Price passes. King Price passes up and it's complete. Direct snap to number 12. Price passes up.
Nehemiah coming your way.
Price passes up, complete on the 40-yard line, and he's met by a host of the Mustangs around the 38. King trying to make a pass, and he's dropped in the backfield.
Go get it! Go get it! Yeah, wait, go!
A handoff. Keller handoff. Reverse. That's number 0. He picked up a
Go! Hey! Hey!
fumble on the play.
Stay with him, Jake. Stay with him.
Price pass complete.
Let's go.
Brings it out about
Up the middle.
Yeah, get the ball! Get the ball!
fumble on the play. Fumble on the play.
What's he doing? They're going left.
Handoff number 25.
Right. Good job, Phoenix. Good job, Phoenix.
Handoff to number 14 around the left side.
Kevin, watch the pass.
Number 18 around the left side. As running room pick up about King Price, signal caller for the Great Wolves.
Why you backing up?
Price pass is up.
We got 3, James. Go, right there, outside. Right there, Nehemiah. Yeah.
King Price. Pass.
JCI.
Number 42 the ball.
Yeah! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Number 22 the ball carrier for the Mustangs. Third down 13 for the Mustangs. And number 99 the ball carrier. Wow.
Good job, hey, Batman, good job, man.
King's pass is up. King's pass complete. To number 18, and he takes it in for
Let's go, Cole. Kevin, right there, Kevin.
18 on the run. Number 14, the ball carrier.
Hey, talking to me.
Number 18, the ball carrier. Tate Thompson, the ball carrier.
Olivia, come here. Come on, Mom.
good guy.